Cold lead outreach depends on deliverability, personalization, and ease of setup. So today we're comparing Smartlead and Instantly to see which one actually wins for cold campaigns. So Smartlead focuses on AI-powered automation, deliverability, and advanced personalization. It offers AI-driven warm-ups and smart sequences, deep customization with spin text and ChatGPT-4 templates, dynamic IP rotation, multi-channel follow-ups, and stronger campaign analytics for high-volume outreach. Some of its pros: better AI personalization and dynamic content options, advanced deliverability features like unique IP rotation and human-like warm-ups, and integrates with more CRMs and supports multi-channel outreach. However, it has no built-in B2B lead database. You must upload your own leads. It has a slightly deeper learning curve for beginners. Instantly is known for its simple interface, built-in lead database with hundreds of millions of contacts, and easy startup for cold outreach. You get unlimited inboxes, automated warm-up, analytics, and basic AI personalization out of the box. Some of its pros: built-in lead database, find prospects without external tools, easy setup with unlimited inboxes and auto warm-up, and beginner-friendly and quick-to-launch campaigns. However, personalization and automation are more basic than Smartlead's AI sequences, and CRM and integration support is more limited. The final verdict: choose Smartlead if you want AI-driven personalization, deep automation, and deliverability tools, perfect for high volume or advanced campaigns where maximizing replies matters. Choose Instantly if you want quick setup, built-in lead sourcing, and simplicity, ideal for beginners or small teams who want fast cold outreach with minimal setup. The bottom line: Smartlead wins for power and customization, and Instantly wins for ease and speed. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize automation depth or quick, simple cold campaigns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.